Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. I hope this camera's not crooked. I have you guys propped up on a Fiji bottle. Yeah, anyways, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jess and I am on day 1 of this week in my hair. For this one, it's just gonna be simple. I'm just going to be taking you guys throughout the week and just showing you my hairstyles. Not necessarily gonna be a tutorial on it. Maybe some days if I have time, but most days it's just gonna be like a lookbook of what hairstyles I usually do. Like, I'm gonna try to be realistic with it. I don't do my hair that much in a week because I'm working, and when I'm working I'm usually just wearing hats or having my hair in a ponytail or something, but we'll see what happens. It's Labor Day weekend, it's a Saturday, so I'm actually on my way to see my boyfriend right now. Yes, I'm wearing the same shirt combo and bra combo as I wore in my last video, okay? Don't judge. I hope you guys can hear me over my car fan. It's just super hot, and if I turn it off, my makeup is literally gonna melt the second I turn it off. That's how hot it is up in here in Georgia. I just really didn't do much to my hair. This is like a wash and go, and then I just twisted it right here, and then I twisted it right here, and then I just put this thing right here. I don't even know why, like, it's so random and it's only one. It looks kind of silly. I was trying to be a little fancy because I had just a basic hairstyle, but yeah, it didn't work anyways. Now I am going to be going to Whole Foods because I wanted to be a really good girlfriend, and I'm a vegan and he's a vegan. You guys don't know that, but so yeah, he finally found him some really good vegan cookies he loved. Got the cookies. Open the door! Hey. Stop! I know what you're doing.
What am I doing?
And he's being a butt because he never wants to be on camera. So they know of something.
Who's they?
My beautiful subscribers. Can you get over here?
I am over here.
No, can you get closer?
Well, the game just...
Okay, pause the game. Okay, he's not even listening. We're not gonna. I'm not doing it. You gotta pause this or something.
Jess, I did pause it.
The surprise is in this bag. Wait! Can you scoot over so I can get your reaction, please?
Is it a prank of some kind? Alright, what do you need? What in the badonkadonk is this?
Open it! Stop! Open it!
Why?
You can smell it.
Something like a muffin or something.
Ta-da!
You didn't want to buy the box.
Those are better.
They are better. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. Are you surprised?
Yeah, I am surprised. Because you never buy anything for me.
That's not true. Blotting my nose right now because I'm super oily. I'm having my friend film right now, my best friend, and I just wanted to show you guys my hair for today. It's Wednesday, and as you can see, my hair is still in the same style it's been in since Monday. So I'm about to work out with her, and my hair is, you know, I've been out all day. My hair is really like dry looking right now, so I'm gonna put it up. I have a band and wait, oh my gosh, I forgot my armpits are a little hairy, a lot of hairy. So let's just show you from behind. Drop. Is that fine, Taka? Or should I put it in a bun?
It looks good.
Okay. So yeah, that's simple. Then I'm about to go work out. When your hair is itchy, that means one or two things. Actually, it means one thing, it's dry or it's dirty. I'm pretty sure my hair is both. It is now Thursday, last day of work. Not really, I have work on Saturday, but yeah, as you can see, I was in the process of taking out my hairstyle because I was gonna wear it again for the last day of work because I've been really enjoying not having to do nothing to my hair. Like, I need to do this more often, to do like a protective style in the beginning of the week, like on the Monday. For the sake of this video, I didn't want to just have my hair in the same style for like the whole majority of this week, so I just wanted to take it out. I'm just gonna finish taking these out and then I'll be back. All right, we're just gonna put on this hat. I'm just gonna have to put you guys like this. Okay, that was actually not a good idea. I'm putting on the hat, okay? Just wait, guys. Okay, whew. Hat is on. All right, now I just go out looking like this. I'm just kidding. Oh my gosh, focus, camera, focus. All right, so my hair is out and wild like this because I've been working out and I've been watching kids, playing around, running around, doing all this stuff with my hair out. So if you really would like to have worn this as a protective style, you would probably want to have put some leave-in conditioner, put some twist in it, or braided the back. But since I just left it out all week, pretty much, I mean, even when I worked out, yeah, I tied it, but it wasn't like, you know, braided or moisturized. So that's why I'm looking like a bruja. Bruja, is that how you say it in Spanish? A broom, pretty much. I feel like that's how you say it. So I'm about to just tie this up like this in the back. That's just how it's gonna be for today. I'll show you guys the end result after I'm finished. And now I'm ready. See how quick that was? I look like my life is put together, but we all know what really lies beneath this cap. Okay. Woo. Yeah. And also today's the last day for me to work out with my friend. Okay, I'm just gonna go to work now and I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Friday! It's Friday, it's Friday, it's the end of the week, it's the last day, something, I don't know. What is that song? I don't even know what that song is, but I know my mom always used to say it, and she would always be like, It's Friday, it's Friday, it's the end of the week, it's the last day. So if you guys know where that's from, comment that down below. We made it to Friday. This is our last day. So I hope you guys have been enjoying it, because I've been enjoying filming it. Today I am off work. I have an off day finally. So I am going to be obviously filming today. So obviously my hair, as you guys can see, I haven't washed it or co-washed it or done anything to it because it's been in that style. So finally I'm going to co-wash it today because Sundays are technically my wash days. So I can wait a little longer. I'm going to be doing like 3 styles in my hairstyles videos. It doesn't really make any sense for me to actually like wash my hair, because by the time I finish with all the hairstyles, I'm gonna have used a lot of gel and stuff, so my hair is gonna need to be washed again. So I'm just gonna co-wash it for right now so it looks like decent. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So yeah. Just finished a video, hairstyle video, that I told you guys that I was gonna be doing. If you like it, make sure your post notifications are turned on so you can be notified when this hairstyle and plus a lot of other hairstyles will be coming.
On the daily wish. Look at all the chain bling like a jewelry store. Get you on the same thing, what you looking for? I'ma hit you on a Thursday. Want you in the worst